Welcome once again to the Daily Message. Today I want to talk about Monsignor John Ryan, who was born in 1869 and lived until 1945. He was a native of Minnesota. He was the son of Irish immigrants. He was ordained to the priesthood and then received a PhD in theology. He taught at the seminary and then also taught at Catholic University. In 1920, he was named the first director of the National Catholic Welfare Conference Social Action Department. The National Catholic Welfare Conference was started at the end of World War I as a relief agency to serve the people of Europe who had been whose lives had been disrupted by the war. He had been influenced greatly by Pope Leo XIII and his encyclical Rerum Novarum. And so Monsignor Ryan took a great interest in social justice and Catholic social teaching. He wrote several books on Catholic social teaching. He advocated for the just wage, for the fair distribution of property, for unionization. He was also a friend and even an informal advisor to Franklin Delano Roosevelt. He was influential in shaping the course of the New Deal, and to the point where he was referred to, or one of his nicknames was the Right Reverend New Dealer. He gave the invocation at the inauguration of FDR in 1937. He was the first Catholic to ever give the invocation at a presidential inauguration, and he did so again in 1945. I hope you've enjoyed learning a little bit about Monsignor John Ryan. Hope you have a safe and healthy day today.